Good afternoon. This is Ma'am David and this is my system unit. That's my unit and this is the monitor. And that's the motherboard. They are working because my motherboard is compatible with my CPU. Number 2 there in the list is the specification or the specs of my motherboard. That's number 2. And number 1 is my CPU, AMD Ryzen 5. So my computer unit is working, so definitely my motherboard is compatible with my Ryzen 5 specs. So what I want you to do is to determine if your motherboard specs is compatible with your CPU specs. Okay, again, the number 2 is my motherboard, number 1 is the CPU. It's the specifications. Specs is the short for specifications. Description of your device. Thanks for watching.